Pi network is finally about to explode, and it could send shockwaves through the entire crypto market. Hey there, Pi pioneers and fellow crypto traders. If you've been following the Pi network journey from the early mining days to now, then get ready, because what's coming next could be nothing short of revolutionary. After years of development, community building, and quiet anticipation, Pi network is finally approaching a major turning point. Key signals and strategic movements behind the scenes suggest that a massive breakout could be imminent. Over the next 7 days, we could witness unprecedented momentum not only in Pi network, but also in the broader crypto market, including Bitcoin and several top-performing altcoins. This isn't just speculation. Several developments are converging, such as rumors of exchange listings, mainnet advancements, and growing institutional interest. All of these could trigger a wave of adoption and attention that catapults Pi into the spotlight. If you're currently holding Pi, now is the time to stay alert, stay informed, and be ready to take action. This moment could be life-changing for early adopters who believed in the project's long-term vision and mission to create a decentralized and accessible digital currency for everyone. We're talking about the kind of shift that turns passive holders into pioneers of a new financial era. Drop Pi to the moon in the comments if you're proudly holding Pi, and let's ride this next wave together. The Pi revolution might just be beginning, and you are a part of history in the making. Pi network deserves special attention as it may emerge as one of the standout performers of 2026. Its unique combination of grassroots adoption and upcoming network milestones creates a scenario where early investors could benefit tremendously from the coming wave of interest and liquidity. The project's potential to bridge mainstream users with blockchain technology makes it particularly compelling in the current market environment. While Bitcoin grabs headlines, Pi network is silently setting up for a historic run. While Bitcoin continues to dominate the headlines with its price movements and institutional buzz, there's another powerhouse quietly preparing to make its mark, and that's Pi network. Often flying under the radar of mainstream attention, Pi network has been strategically building its foundation with a strong community of over 55 million pioneers, a secure and scalable infrastructure, and a vision to redefine accessibility in the crypto space. What many don't realize is that while the world is watching Bitcoin, Pi network is laying the groundwork for what could become one of the most significant launches in crypto history. From continuous updates on the open mainnet development to discussions around exchange listings and ecosystem expansion, every piece is falling into place. The team is taking a deliberate approach, prioritizing sustainability, decentralization, and utility over hype. This silent setup could soon erupt into a massive surge of activity. And when it does, those who've been paying attention, those who've been mining and supporting Pi from the early days, could find themselves at the forefront of a financial shift. It's a reminder that sometimes, the biggest moves aren't the loudest. They're the ones patiently waiting for the perfect moment to make history. So while Bitcoin continues to shine in the spotlight, don't sleep on Pi network. It's quietly positioning itself for a historic run, and the world is about to take notice. Bitcoin's dip was a fake out. $120,000 next? Here's why smart money is loading up last week's sudden Bitcoin dip, which saw prices drop 3.5% and altcoins plunge 10-15%, sent shockwaves through the market. But here's the truth. It was a classic shakeout before the next leg up. While retail traders panicked, whales and institutional players were quietly accumulating Bitcoin at the lows, signaling strong spot demand. On-chain data shows major accumulation near $65,000, $67,000, proving this was not a bearish reversal but a strategic reset before Bitcoin resumes its uptrend. The money supply, the lifeblood of crypto bull runs, is expanding aggressively, injecting fresh liquidity into the market. Historically, when M2 rises, Bitcoin and altcoins follow with explosive rallies. Even more telling? Tether's USDT market cap is ballooning, meaning billions in stablecoin liquidity are waiting to flood into crypto. This perfect storm of macro liquidity plus whale accumulation suggests Bitcoin is primed to shatter its all-time high, $73,000, and surge toward $115,000, $120,000 in the next 7 to 14 days. But here's where it gets really exciting for altcoin holders. Bitcoin dominance is nearing a peak. Every time BTC dominance tops out, alt season begins, and this cycle, the altcoin rally could be the most violent yet. Ethereum is coiled for a $5,000 plus breakout post-ETF approval. Solana's meme coin frenzy could send Sol to $250, and AI tokens like FET and RNDR are poised to double or triple as NVIDIA's AI dominance fuels speculative mania. As Bitcoin approaches its next major resistance levels, historical patterns suggest that capital will soon rotate aggressively into altcoins, potentially triggering one of the most explosive alt seasons in crypto history. This rotation typically occurs when Bitcoin stabilizes after establishing new highs, allowing traders to seek higher beta opportunities in the altcoin market. Leading this charge will likely be Ethereum, which stands at the precipice of a potential paradigm shift. The imminent approval of spot Ethereum ETFs could catalyze a wave of institutional inflows similar to what Bitcoin experienced post-ETF, with price targets conservatively estimating a move to $5,000 in the medium term. Ethereum's robust ecosystem of Layer 2 solutions and its dominance in decentralized finance position it as the natural beneficiary of this rotation. Solana continues to demonstrate remarkable resilience and growth potential. The network's thriving meme coin ecosystem, combined with increasing institutional adoption and its technological advantages in speed and cost efficiency, make Sol a prime candidate to reach $250 in the coming months. The platform's ability to onboard both retail and institutional users simultaneously gives it a unique advantage in this cycle. The artificial intelligence sector within crypto presents particularly asymmetric opportunities. Tokens like Fetch.ai, Render Network, and SingularityNet stand to benefit directly from the broader AI revolution led by companies like NVIDIA. These projects, which bridge blockchain with cutting-edge AI applications, could easily see 100% or greater appreciation as investor enthusiasm for AI-related assets continues to grow. For investors seeking maximum upside with managed risk, Pi Network offers particularly compelling characteristics. Its current valuation remains disconnected from its potential due to limited trading availability, creating a scenario where early positions could yield extraordinary returns if the project executes successfully on its roadmap. The combination of pent-up demand from millions of existing users and speculative interest from traders could produce one of the most dramatic price appreciation events of this market cycle. The key to capitalizing on this impending alt season lies in strategic positioning before the rotation gains full momentum. By focusing on projects with strong fundamentals, clear catalysts, and favorable tokenomics, investors can position themselves to capture the most significant upside as capital flows from Bitcoin into the broader altcoin market. Strategic positioning for maximum crypto gains in the coming week. The current market conditions present a critical window of opportunity for investors seeking to maximize their returns in the cryptocurrency space. With several major catalysts on the horizon, the next 7 days could determine portfolio performance for months to come. First and foremost, Pi Network represents one of the most compelling asymmetric opportunities in the market today. The combination of millions of existing holders and limited current exchange availability suggests significant price discovery potential when full trading commences. Investors would be wise to establish positions before mainstream attention builds up. The key to success in this environment lies in disciplined portfolio construction. Allocating across these strategic opportunities while maintaining appropriate risk management will position investors to benefit from the various catalysts expected to unfold in the coming weeks and months. The current market conditions, while volatile, present one of the most favorable risk-reward profiles we've seen in this cycle. Timing remains crucial, and the decisions made in this 7-day window could have outsized impact on investment outcomes. By focusing on high-conviction opportunities with clear fundamental drivers, investors can navigate this dynamic market environment while positioning for maximum potential upside. The convergence of technical factors and fundamental developments creates a particularly compelling setup for those who act strategically in the current market conditions. What's your move? Are you holding Pi? Let me know below. Which altcoin are you buying? Smash the like button if you believe Pi hits $100 plus this year. Subscribe now. Next week's update could be the one that changes your life.